All of the benign thyroid diseases that we are involved with treating are caused by an immune attack against the thyroid, and that leaves open the possibility that modulating the immune system could improve the treatment of both hyperthyroidism, thyroid overactivity, and thyroid underactivity. The issue is our treatments have to be safe, because immune modulating treatments can have side effects such as making people more prone to an infection, and also they can be quite expensive. Over the last 8 years or so, I've been leading a series of clinical trials at Newcastle University to try and improve the treatment for patients with autoimmune thyroid diseases. That's mainly Graves' disease, thyroid overactivity, but we've just about to start a trial for patients with thyroid underactivity, Hashimoto thyroiditis as well. The idea of these studies is that the underlying cause of the thyroid problem is the immune system attacking the thyroid, and could we use immunomodulatory anti-inflammatory treatments to dampen down the immune response to make the disease improve more quickly, or to target aspects of the disease that aren't targeted by current treatments. For Graves' disease, we can tell sometimes when people first present with the condition that because they've got very high antibody levels or very high levels of thyroid hormone, they're highly unlikely to be cured by conventional antithyroid drug tablet treatment, and that they'll need to go and have thyroidectomy surgery or even radioactive iodine treatment, one or the other, to be cured of the disease. So we've run a study which we've recruited 30 patients with severe Graves' disease to give them an immunosuppressive treatment on top of the regular antithyroid drug treatment to see if we can improve the outcome of the condition. So the results of that are currently being analysed by our statisticians, but by the end of this year we should have a result from that study. We've previously done similar studies with other agents such as rituximab, or for a commercial product called Apitope in Graves' disease patients, and these treatments look promising. Some of the treatments we've been testing already have a market authorization, and so you can use them within the NHS. The question is, will we be able to use them seamlessly transition the use of the drug into thyroid disease without additional NHS regulations? And that's normally related to the cost it would entail. So if the drug is relatively cheap, and it improves the patient outcome, the NHS will say that's great, we look forward to using the treatment. But if it costs a lot of money, NICE would probably get involved, and then they would make a judgment based on the cost of the treatment versus the added benefit. But we know a lot of patients with Graves' disease which is more severe end up with thyroidectomy surgery, and that costs the NHS about £2,500. And so if the treatment is cheaper than that, generally we would be able to go ahead and use it.